So for number 5 and 6, they're both inequalities. So let's go ahead and take a look at number 5 for the moment. So let me go ahead and change my pen to blue. So I have negative 5x is greater than or equal to 15, and dividing negative 5 on both sides, I would get x is less than or equal to negative 3. So we are seeing a little bit of a difference compared to the earlier examples. So we have a closed circle here at negative 3, and since x is less than negative 3, we are going to shade the left. Okay, and let me make it thicker so that it's easier to see. All right, so if we keep going all the way to the left, what number do we see here? Negative infinity. So let's go ahead and give it a little label here. So if we keep going all the way to the left, we are going to see negative infinity. Makes sense, right? Okay. So the set builder notation should be very straightforward. So we have x such that x is less than or equal to negative 3. Now, what is going to be a challenge is your interval notation, because in your mind, this negative 3, it's having a very, very high position. Okay, you want to and you will write down negative 3, but don't forget, how do we describe an interval? It's from a number to a number, from a small number to a big number. That's how we say things. That's how we say things that people would understand easier. So from a small number to a bigger number. So in this case, from where to where? From negative infinity to negative 3, not the other way around. And since it is negative infinity, we'll use parentheses, and we include negative 3, so we will close it with a bracket. So just a little symbol to express some values. Okay, so please make sure that you do not flip these two things. It's always from small to large, from small to large. And then we have number 6. Again, we don't like fractions, so therefore we will multiply both sides by 7. That would make our lives a lot easier. Okay, so negative 7x, it's greater than or equal to x plus 5. So subtract x on both sides, you will have negative 8x is equal to 5, and x is less than or equal to negative 5 over 8. And so, where? Did I change the sign? Yeah, I think I did, right? X is greater than or equal to, x is now less than or equal to. Yeah. So negative 5 over 8, it is going to be a closed circle since x is less than. So we're going to highlight the part on the left. Okay, so there we go. So set builder notation should be very straightforward. It is x such that x is less than or equal to negative 5 over 8. So again, when you write down set builder notation, it's really just knowing that it starts and ends with a pair of braces, and then you have this variable vertical stroke. That's really it. So what about the interval notation? We are going from where to where? From negative infinity to negative 5 over 8, correct? And since we are including negative 5 over 8, so we'll close it with a bracket.